Good morning, good morning, good morning. What happened in this video is a big, huge of respect from Alafin of Oyo. But looking through all social media, Instagram, TikTok, I saw people saying that Alafin of Oyo was being disrespected because they asked him to shift so that Sir Igbinedion could sit down. This man is also meant to sit in the front, but because Alafin of Oyo has been there before him, that was the reason why he was asked to just adjust for Sir Igbinedion because of his health to sit very close to the extreme end. But people have started tagging it online that Alafin of Oyo was asked to stand up for Sir Gabriel Igbinedion. No, no, that is not what happened in that video. What happened in that video was that Alafin of Oyo showed a huge form of respect for Sir Gabriel on his 91st Thanksgiving service. Imagine 91st, that's 91 years. So what Alafin of Oyo did there was not because he is the Alafin of Oyo, but what it shows there is that yes, this man can be my father and this man is of age. So, guy, it's just to honor. I don't know.